Hi guys, my name is Karthik. I work as the Architectural Specifications Manager for Somfy. I cover Canada and the Northwest US, working with developers, architects, general contractors, builders, just to specify the right Somfy solution when it comes to technology and controls. Here today, what Somfy is offering and demonstrating to the architect and design and builder community, as well as the integrators, is the Somfy PoE technology. PoE references power over Ethernet, and the true benefit of having a power over Ethernet solution is running low voltage Cat6 wiring to every single window location that can deliver both power and control. So over here we're demonstrating various types of torques of motors, where you're using a 30 watt motor, a 60 watt motor, a 90 watt motor, depending on the size of the window. So you can do a small window all the way up to a window that is 12 by 12 off a single Cat6 wire. A real benefit of this is that it reduces the cost of running wiring for motorized shades. A lot of times, a builder would think running wiring for motorized shades is very expensive, but with PoE technology and Somfy's motors, we're able to get Cat6 wiring to the window to help drive the motorized shades up and down and tie it into many of the integration control systems available out there for the industry. Somfy is one of the only true companies with a true native PoE solution where we can integrate to a home automation system like Control 4 or Crestron or Savant or Elan. Somfy has the model of being open to integrate with any control systems, whether they've been in the industry for 20 years or somebody that's new in the industry. We're able to help support these integration avenues. And also, you have options to choose when it comes to products, whether they're interior or exterior type products. You're able to have the flexibility to work with any roller shade manufacturer that you may already have been working with. This way, you have the option and flexibility to choose the specific products. As long as you have a powered by Somfy motor that has PoE capabilities in it, you're able to get the true experience of having motorized shades in your home. So if you do want to learn more about Somfy and the offers and the types of technologies and products that we have available, head over to our website, somfysystems.com, and feel free to reach out to us directly through there. We have support, we have consultants and spec managers. Regardless of where you are in North America, we have someone available there to support you.